Do you know how to make veg biryani? Have you ever tried cooking veg biryani at home? Do you use basmati rice for your biryani? Do you soak the rice before cooking? Do you prefer pressure cooking or dum-style biryani? Do you marinate the vegetables before adding them? Do you use curd in your veg biryani recipe? Do you add saffron milk for flavor and color? Do you fry the onions until golden brown? Do you include paneer or tofu in your veg biryani? Do you use biryani masala or make your own spices? Do you cook the rice and vegetables separately? Do you layer the rice and vegetables while cooking? Do you seal the biryani pot with dough for dum? Do you use mint and coriander leaves for garnishing? Do you serve veg biryani with raita or salad? Do you add ghee or oil for extra taste? Do you cook it in a handi or regular pan? Do you add dry fruits like cashews or raisins? Do you adjust spice levels based on guests?